Ashley from Not Into Reviews, and today we're here with Facetory. Facetory is a subscription box full of skincare items. This is their Lux Plus box. It's kind of hard for me to say. Lux Plus box. This is a seasonal subscription. Every box is $49.95 with $160 in value. So we'll be unboxing this. I'll be reviewing it on my channel. I'm going to try to review each of the products as well. They also sent me something new from their, oh, look at my address, from their line as well. We'll get to that in a second. So, like I said, $49.95. I'm going to look and see if I have a coupon, and I'll put that down below for you. I'll also link to Facetory with my affiliate link, and I will link to my blog, like I always do. So anyway, let's get in here. Ooh. I would be a liar if I said I didn't peek. It's skincare. I mean, how can I not? I was like, I can't stop it. Just keep glowing. I was so excited to see it. I was like, wow, it's so big. There's so many items. All right, so this is the summer story, and inside, I guess they're going to tell us about each of the products. Yes, and then they do give us retail values. We're going to look at this at the end. Not right now, though. Not right now. We're going to wait. There. All right. My maid's going to clean that up. That's my running joke. I'm the maid. That's me. All right, so first off, we have the Alicia Koib Bee Break Massage Cream. So this is a massage and cleansing cream, which is interesting. This is full size, obviously, 6.52 ounces. A massage cream that gently removes the dead skin cells and makes surface of your skin smooth. So you use this 1 to 2 times a week. Apply all over, so it's your face. Oh, it's a face. It sounds like it would be like a body cream, but it's not. So it's an exfoliating facial cream. It does have, what is it using? I'm trying to find the ingredients in here that are a lot of different things. I'm interested to try this out. Let's see. All right, moving along. Then we have, all right, Glowiest. This is the AHA, PHA. What the heck is PHA? Skin Perfecting Toner, Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Pore Refining with Moringa Extract, Witch Hazel Extract, and Micellar Solution. Be your glowiest self. So this has PHA, Peekaboo, AHA, PHA Skin Perfecting Toner, an ultra gentle AHA and PHA infused multitasking toner. 2% skincare acids with moringa. I'm trying to find what would be what is a PHA. I'm gonna have to look it up after this video. I've never heard of that. I am gonna open it though right now. I want to see it. If I can, I'm gonna have to rip the bottom. Forgive me. Come on. I had a boss once that said that I think I've said this before, rip, shit, bust. That's kind of my philosophy in life. I'm not going to wait for you. So here it is. Isn't it pretty? That's cute. It's cute for your vanity. It has the fountain top, which I love. These are cute. You just put your cotton pad round on that and extrapolate. All right, next up, this is the Yada Cactus Body Lotion. This is moisturizing. I would hope so. It's lotion. Let's smell it. I do have a few things from Yada. I've been sent years ago. And I thought they were cute. They're always like very cute, I think is the term that I'd use. This is 69% cactus extract, 5 plant extract formula, and EWG green grade, which is really good if you're into clean skincare products. Oh, is it also sealed? It's double sealed. Yikes. All right, let's see here. There we go. Let's see what it smells like. I just want to smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. I'm surprised. It's a very, very lightweight. It has just like a clean smell. Like it's not unnaturally scented. It's like natural scent. Ooh, it's pretty though. I mean, it goes on nice. It soaks up real quick. It's already soaked into my skin, except for this part right here. Let's get it rubbed in. All right. So there's that. Then we have the Muse Age Control Hand Protection. I'm not going to open this up. It's a hand cream, obviously, I think. Maybe I should open it up. Oh, yeah. It's a little hand. Our hand creams are always like in this kind of a, I think that's cute, right? If you use them. I really don't use hand creams much. So I'm going to probably pass that off to a friend, a girlfriend of mine who's always hit me up for stuff. Bum. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right, next. This is the Sandawa Camellia Flower and Antioxidant Cream Mask. Ooh, it has a little spatula. And then here is our container. It's glass. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. So, how do we use this? The pink box is really sending my eyes for like a... This Camellia Flower Antioxidant Cream Mask contains abundant natural camellia petals, which provide nourishing and moisturizing effects to improve skin texture. The mild ingredients of natural plants can gently take care of your skin without irritation. That's great for somebody like me who has is redness prone. So there is that. And then there's a bunch of sheet masks. So we're going to go through these all. There's the Facetory Be Bright Be You Brightening Gold Foil Mask. That sounds like fun. I like to take these. I told you guys before that I'm going to the beach with a girlfriend. I take these along and we do like a girls' night with our sheet masks and stuff. We did it last year. It was lots of fun. Okay. Then there's the Be Plain Sycophil Calming Mask, which I'm going to definitely be using myself. This looks more like a cellulose. That actually might be one you just wipe on. I don't know. But the calming is something I can use. My skin is so angry all the time. All right. Be Shine Jewelry Mask, Tone Up Aura, which sounds cute and fun. This would definitely be one that my daughters would like. Then we have the Detox Skin Lily Florist Mask. So this is obviously going to have some sort of a flower extract in it. And then from El Molu is the Relief Biocellulose Mask. So there is that. All right, so for your $49.95, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheet masks, your mask, your toner, your cactus lotion, your Alicia Koi massage cream, which I'm excited to try out actually, and your hand cream. So let's go ahead and look in our little insert here. Skincare tip. For extra protection, pair your sunscreen with products that include these ingredients: vitamin A, vitamin C, green tea, and niacinamide. I love niacinamide. All right, so the Yada Cactus Body Lotion is valued at $17. The Peekaboo Glowiest HAPHA toner is valued at $30. The Alicia Koi massage cream is valued at $32. The hand cream is valued at $18. The El Molu Biocellulose Mask is valued at $6. The Lily Mask is valued at $2. The Sycophil Calming Mask is valued at $4. The Shine Jewelry Mask is valued at $3. And the Be Bright Be You new formulation is valued at $3.50. So that is everything that came in my Lux Plus box. But I also have their new, this is, hold on, let's open it together. It's super cute. Look. Woohoo, your package is here. I love their packaging. It's so friendly, right? Like, isn't that like if I had to find one word, it would be friendly. So they sent me a headband. This was sent to me for review. I probably should have said that at the beginning of the video. Or do I want to mess my hair up right now? No, I don't want to. Oh, this is for when you do your makeup. Anyway, I love these. This looks like a bunny though, so it's super cute. And it says Facetory on it, so there's that. But here are their new Spot Fighters. All right, so this is this one has 72 and this one has 78. So look at them. They look like old school Game Boys. Super cute. There's an AM and then there's a PM. And you can tell which one is which by the color, because obviously night is darker. So AM blemish patches, and then the PM. I don't want to open them right now because I'm going to have my daughter try them out and I want to take pictures yet before we review them fully. So they come in 2 sizes. This is the actual size. And here's the nighttime one's actual size. And so obviously these probably work a lot like other spot fighters. Little acne patches is what you call them. You put them on your blemish, you let them sit, and then you take it off and the blemish is dried out and gone, typically. If you have acne, these are awesome. They really work. I can't recommend them enough. But anyway, like I said, I am going to link down below to Facetory if you want to check them out. If you're a skincare enthusiast at all, this is one that you're going to want to check into because they offer skincare products that you're not going to see everywhere like Target and all that stuff. Just a lot of good, a mix of fun items that they're just a joy to open, for me at least. If you like skincare, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, ooh, I get to try this out. I get to look at the ingredients. The nerd in me like wants to look at all the ingredients and do like the backstory. Like, is this good for me? Is this not good for me? And then the other part of me, the aesthetic part, is really into like setting them up, making them look beautiful, photographing them. I don't know. That's just me. But I do look forward to kind of just figuring out what they all do and seeing how they work with my skin. And I'm going to tell you in my blog. I will also link down below, like I said, to Facetory, where you can, you know, go and get your own stuff. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.